I'm Rachael from the Workshop Whisperer, and I'm here on beautiful Hamilton Island for our annual conference. This year our theme was catching the wave of possibilities, and we have immersed our participants in the themes of money, marketing and mindset in order to help them transform and break through barriers that sometimes they weren't even aware existed, so that they can build a business, make more money, have more freedom and have more meaning. And let's be honest, most of you are actually after more time away from the business so that you can enjoy the things that are truly meaningful to you, your family, your free time, and to be able to do the things that you love. The Engine Room, that's our high performance coaching group, throughout the year have systemised. They've put in place strategies to ensure that their businesses are more profitable, and they're focused on empowering their teams so that when they come to an event like this, the business goes on without them. And that is the key to freedom.
Well, we get a lot out of it for the business, but also personally. Yeah, you get business growth, financial growth and personal growth.
Taking time out of your business and participating in a program like this one with Workshop Whisperer is absolutely one of the most important things that you can do for your business.
On day one, we shared strategies with our engine roomers so that they could think outside the box and even come up with new ways of doing business that they'd never considered before. We've been learning throughout our whole lives that we have to work a certain way, Monday to Friday or even Monday and half of Saturday, 9 to 5. But we put it out there that this doesn't need to be the case. We can have a lifestyle business that suits us rather than what we think the market is dictating. On day two, our participants learned how to better package up their messaging to the market so that there was less room for error when it comes to the expectations that our customers have of us. We also had a deep discussion around something that is really important to all of us, and that's a space for our men to be able to chat and share. It's an initiative that we've started called Mentored. We were inspired to have this discussion to ensure that the men in our life don't bottle things up and go into their man cave so much that they feel a safe space to share, and in the long run, ensuring that mental health is great is better for all of us. In the afternoon, we did strategic planning, and this is where we put our plan together for the next 12 months. So we get super clear on what's important to the business and what's important to us, and we end up with an action plan, and that will step us through the year ahead. And it's not all work. Of course, we packed plenty of fun into the conference as well. And on the evening of day two, we had a special themed dinner down by the main pool here, and it was Flintstones themed. And it was an absolute hoot. And day three has been all about mindset. So the tactics, the habits, the attitudes that are required by a modern day auto repair shop owner to lead forward into the future.
I'm always looking to learn and grow, and this is the perfect situation to be in for that. So guys, if you're interested, jump on, take it. You'll be surprised what you get out of it.
So if you'd like to know the simple secrets and proven strategies that our engine roomers have used to be with us at a destination like this, so that you can join us next time, then we encourage you to follow the link, answer a couple of quick questions, and you'll be on your way.